Hey math kids, there's a part in the previous video that I kind of glossed over, and some of you asked me to go a little more in depth on it. In the previous video, like I said, kind of glossed over this relationship, so I want to show you more in depth how we know what this is. So if we wrote this as a bunch of fractions being added together, we would get 1/10 plus 6 over 100 plus 6 over 1,000 plus 6 over 10,000. And if we look at just this piece of it, that's a geometric series, and infinite if we assume that this goes on forever. We have a common ratio of 10, or 1 over 10, and our starting term is right here. We have an infinite geometric series formula. Starting term divided by 1 minus r is going to give us our series. So first, we're just going to figure out the value of the series, and then we will add 1/10 to it. And that should give us 1/6 if we do everything correctly. So my starting value of 6 over 100, I'm going to just simplify that. I'm going to get 3 over 50. And so I'm going to plug that in. 3 over 50 goes on top of the fraction, and then 1 minus 1/10 goes on the bottom. So we get 3/50 divided by 9/10, which can be written this way. And if we flip the second one, we can change to multiplication. These will leave a 5, these will leave a 3, and we still have a 1 on top. So we get 1 over 15, which represents the geometric series. We still have this 1/10 though, so we need to do 1 over 15 plus 1 over 10. We need to get common denominators. So I'm choosing 30. So we get 2 over 30 plus 3 over 30, which is 5 over 30, which if we divide both those by 5, we get 1 over 6. And so that's how we know that that's true. If you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.